Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have something awesome for you. I was on the search for homes in the Las Vegas area, new construction that you could still find for under $400K, and I found a few. Richmond American Homes is one of the popular communities or builders here in the Las Vegas community, and they have got a few options for you to build for under $400K. Today we are going to focus on the Boxwood model in Monarch Valley, which is located in Southwest Las Vegas. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. Okay, so let's get right into it. Today we're going to talk about the Boxwood, which is one of the popular floor plans for Richmond American Homes, their Seasons collection. So this model can be found in pretty much any of the Richmond communities here in the Las Vegas area, but today we're going to focus on Monarch Valley because there's plenty of lots available to build on, and I can give you a price point. These homes start at about $398,000, so it's a great price point for someone who's trying to build under $400K. Obviously, if you add upgrades and all of that, your price will increase, but starting at $398K, you can't really beat that. The Boxwood is 1,800 square feet. It's a 2-story floor plan with a 2-car garage. You can have 3 to 4 bedrooms depending on how much of an upgrade you want to do, but the standard is 3 bedrooms. You have an open floor plan with a large kitchen island. You have a powder room downstairs. This is definitely an affordable open layout plan for someone who's looking for something to that nature. Another plus is that the laundry room is located upstairs. It's for anyone who is kind of contemplating carrying that laundry up and down the stairs. I understand. So let's get right into it. This is the Boxwood. We're going to be focusing on Monarch Valley, which is in the southwest area of Las Vegas, and we can talk more about that area in another video, but take a look. Okay, so wasn't it awesome? I hope you really like that. If you like that or you want anything similar in the area, just hit me up and I will make sure to do the tour for you, give you more information, whatever you may be looking for. Now, mind you, this tour was done in the Cadence community, the Allegro community of Cadence in Henderson, Nevada for Richmond American Homes, because Monarch Valley does not have this model available to show, but I still wanted you guys to take a look. But hey, guys, I'm here. Whatever you need, I'm your girl. Just all my contact information is below, and see you on the next video.